Look at this, guys. Loader has the right of way. So even though you're crossing, right, they're saying the loader will have the right of way on an easement.
You notice you're taking pictures of the plant and stuff. What are you doing?
Taking pictures.
Yeah, taking pictures of our plant. One, you can't go on our property if that's where you're going in.
I never.
Here's my picture. Can I ask you something? You filming it? No, that's illegal. All right. Well, it's filmed.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel G-Tag U-Post. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Now let's get into today's video. This video took place at the Argos trucking facility in South Lake, Texas in February 2020. The auditor in this video was recording the trucking facility from the public sidewalk directly outside the entrance. At no time did he go onto the Argos property. After a few minutes of filming, the auditor is approached by employees of the trucking facility, which in turn call the police on the auditor. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Look at this, guys. Loader has the right of way. So even though you're crossing, right, they're saying the loader will have the right of way on an easement.
You notice you're taking pictures of the plant and stuff. What are you doing?
Taking pictures.
Yeah, taking pictures of our plant. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what else to say, but taking pictures.
Pictures of what do you want pictures of? We'll help you. What do you want pictures of?
I just want to get whatever's in the public area.
Oh, public area. Who do you
Yeah.
work for a company here?
It's okay. I'd rather not say anything else.
Well, one, you can't go on our property if that's where you're going in.
I've never been on your property.
Okay, you wasn't over here?
In your property?
Yeah.
I was never in your property.
Okay. So you're not going to tell me what's going on?
I feel like I've already answered that question, but I think you're looking for something else. I don't know what answer to give you.
Okay.
So.
Here's my picture. Can I ask you something? You filming it? No, that's illegal. All right. Well, it's filmed.
Didn't you just take a picture of me? That's hypocritical. That's funny, dude. You're funny, dude. Where? I'm on your property? Where? This is your property? You know what an easement is? Do you know what an easement is? You don't know what a public easement is? No? Well, you might get educated today. You might get educated today. I'm not your slave. Sorry. I mean, I could. But you're telling me to do something, right? What did I tell you to do? What did I tell you? Wait. Hey, no. Asking is, hey, could you wait for the cops? You said wait for the cops. Yeah, that's a tell. That's not an ask. Wait for the cops. Did you go and they didn't educate you over the phone on what public easement is? Just be truthful to the cops when they show up. I can't go in there. What's wrong with you, dude? You're crazy.
Just asking you to get a little further off the road. That's all I'm trying to do.
You want me to move off the road a little bit? Sure, I'll do that for you.
Yeah, just so I can get off the road.
Yeah, come on.
Okay,
I'll move.
that's all I'm asking you.
Yeah, I'll move.
Can you move in the parking lot?
I can't go in their property. I can't do that.
I'm asking you to.
No. If they ask me to, then I'd go. I can't do that.
But they're saying that you were just on their property.
No, I was there. I got it all recorded, man. Up and down.
Okay, I'm gonna have to look at it.
You want to look at my video?
I just got the phone with them, yeah.
Well, I've been up and down here. If they tell you otherwise, well, they can do a PPA.
Prove it to me,
Yeah, they can do a PPA, and I can go ahead and go to jail, and they can go ahead and release me.
We'll just stay here.
No, I was about to move so you can move your car.
No, that's cool.
You sure?
I mean, I asked you to go in the parking lot. You're not going.
Yeah, I'm not going to go in the parking lot because that's on their property.
Okay.
And he already said I'm not allowed on their property.
So I'll just block this
Right.
then. That's fine.
I mean, if you want to, I can move down there and you can go ahead and park.
Now, I want to make this as easy as possible.
All right, no
What's
problem.
your name, man?
I don't want to give that, sir.
Okay, well, I can tell you right now, unfortunately, you're being detained for a disorderly conduct violation because they're saying that you're on the property, okay, and you're cursing at
You can read that and return it in 1 minute.
I just want your side
Nope,
of the
if you're
story.
saying disorderly conduct, if that's my charge, they can take me in. I'll go ahead and do a PPA, and they can go ahead and arrest me, and I'll go ahead and fight it in court.
At this early point in the interaction, the officer has stated that the auditor is detained for a disorderly conduct violation. In the state of Texas, the auditor could be charged and found guilty of disorderly conduct if he enters on the property of another and looks into a dwelling of the property through any window or any other opening in the dwelling. As of yet, the auditor never went onto the property of the trucking facility. And even though the officer said to the auditor that he has to show him the video evidence of this fact, the auditor is under no legal obligation to show any evidence or proof that he never entered the property.
As I said, I got it all on camera.
Well, that's great. I'd rather you just.
I understand it, but it's not my due diligence to prove anything. It's their job to prove I was on.
Harder than it has to be, though.
I'm not making it harder. They called the cops. I didn't call you.
Right.
But you can read that or you can return it. But it's explaining the law.
I know what the law is. I'm just
Okay, do you want to read it?
Story.
Do you want to read it? I told you my story. I was taking pictures out here. Now I can't have my property back. If you don't want to read it, that's fine.
No, right now I'm paying attention to you.
That's fine. Am I being detained?
You are. I just told you. You're being
For what
detained.
crime?
For disorderly conduct.
Disorderly conduct.
You want to give your side of the story now, or?
No, I'll wait till they tell you theirs.
Okay.
And if they tell you I was in their property, that's fine.
All right.
But I wasn't.
You want to take the seat for me then?
No, I will not sit.
All right. Well, I'm going to put you in handcuffs then, okay?
I refuse. If you do, I will be pressing a lawsuit against you.
Okay, you're being detained right now.
If you put me in handcuffs, you'll be getting a lawsuit.
258, you might come over here for a second, please?
Matter of fact, let me do this. Let me call my lawyer then. Let me call my lawyer. He says I'm being detained.
Hey, he's being detained right now. I'm going to put him in handcuffs.
I'm calling my lawyer right now. He didn't want to read my information.
Okay.
I told him before already. I've been up and down here, not on their property, on a public easement. It's up to you to do what you want to do, but I'm calling my lawyer.
They just said he was taking pictures. They confronted him. They kind of got back and forth verbally, but that was it. Okay. That's all they
So
said.
they're saying he didn't go on the property.
They said he was in the driveway. They didn't say he went past the gate or anything like that into the property.
Are they wanting to press charges?
No, they didn't.
No, they're not. Okay.
No.
That's a different story than I got.
Yeah.
Oh, they want to press charges?
Okay.
So what story did you get?
Well, they thought they were saying you were on their property and you wouldn't leave and you're blocking trucks.
I wasn't blocking anything.
then-
That's a false report. If they want to take me to jail,
talking
that's
to you
up
right now, you start talking to somebody, you get a little more information as you talk to them. You know what I'm saying?
But
And so that's what they finally
can you
said.
answer
They
me
said,
this?
Yeah.
Is it my job to answer your questions?
You don't have to answer my questions.
There we go. Now, he says I'm detained for disorderly. Am I still being detained?
You
They don't want to press charges. You know, like intent.
So if I wanted to press charges, they'd be detained, right? You put them in handcuffs the same way?
What's that?
You put them in the handcuffs the same way if they were detained, right?
If I was investigating them for doing some sort of offense, and they weren't complying with anything I asked them to do.
So as I was trying to give him, I am complying. But here's 3802.
I'm blocking a lane of traffic. Let's get out
Yeah,
of here.
I tried to go ahead and let him. But if you want to read that for me?
I'm familiar. That's
So
what,
he doesn't want to get educated. That's the problem. Briggs, what's your badge number?
Let's get out of here.
What's your badge number, sir? I'm asking.
1447.
1447?
I gotta get out of the road, man, okay?
I asked you to get out the roadway earlier. But
sit back, sir.
I can't pass back here, sir.
Huh?
I can't pass back here.
Why?
That's their property.
Well,
See this? This is my safety sign. See that? The
that's for the
telephone pole?
roadway.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is my
Well,
easement.
here's the thing. Anything else I could do for you? They're not wanting to press charges. They just say you didn't do anything. So.
Well, I didn't commit a crime, so it
I
wouldn't matter.
understand.
So, but do you understand 3802, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And that means I don't have to ID or anything until I've been lawfully arrested.
Yes, sir. I agree. I
Okay.
understand all that.
So.
Just a quick refresher for the new people to my channel. In the state of Texas, failure to ID is covered under statute section 38.02. It states, a person commits the offense if he intentionally refuses to give his name, resident address, or date of birth to a peace officer who has lawfully arrested the person and requested the information. This auditor was never lawfully arrested, so he was under no legal obligation to identify to the officers.
Okay. So that man, he detained me. I like the incident report since I was detained.
He never detained you.
He said I got it on film, sir.
No, did he?
He said I was legally being detained. He can tell you right now.
Okay. If he never put handcuffs on you or anything like that.
That doesn't matter. I was detained. I would like an incident report.
Okay.
So I can go ahead and press file a report against this officer for detaining me for no crime.
Okay. You'd have to go up to the South Lake Police Department.
No, sir. The report was on me. I can get that report right now. I want that incident number.
I'll tell you what, meet me at the station, I'll give it to you.
That's not how it works. Can you get your supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Can you get your supervisor, please?
Sure. Meet me at the station and I'll have you talk to him.
No, sir.
I'm not
I would
gonna
like
have
to
him come out here.
either give me an incident report, or I'm just gonna have to. This is getting more difficult than what it has to be. Why are you so uptight? Why
Because
can't
we're
you
on the
just
side
give me?
of the road right now.
Okay, I'm
And
on an
earlier-
easement.
Okay, are you gonna let me talk?
Go on.
You're asking me a question, let me answer. Okay? Alright. When I was asking you questions earlier, trying to get your side of the story, you didn't want to share anything. I told you I was here to get your side of the story.
Right, and was I fleeing from you or fighting with you or anything put you in danger?
No, you weren't.
So why would you put me in handcuffs?
I told you were going to be detained. I asked you a simple thing was for my safety, and your safety, was to sit on the ground.
So here's the thing about sitting on the ground.
So it's,
you don't know if I have
okay,
medical
I'm
issues, man.
done, okay?
Can I
You're
get
not
an incident
being
report?
detained. I told you go
Can
to
I get an
the police
incident
station. I'll
report?
look it up for you, okay?
Can I get an incident report?
Yes, you can.
Can I get it right here, right
At the
now?
police
Can I get the number right here? Because I know you can pull it up in your.
Write it down.
Yeah, if you want to write it down, or just tell me.
Go
Right
for
here.
it.
1 second.
You let me know when you're ready.
All right.
So now get the incident number, please. It's gonna be 20SP
0SP
0137
0137
62.
62.
All right,
That's it.
that's it.
All right. That's all I need to know, man.
Okay.
I don't know why you gotta make it difficult, man. Like incident report. You think I'll be on my way?
That all you need,
Okay,
sir?
You too, man.
That all you need?
That's all I wanted. You know. Or did you have your name and badge number as well?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a business card? That's awesome,
business
dude.
card, all
Dang,
you
man, you fancy, dude. Here we go.
All right.
All right, we all good?
All right, man.
Look
Cool.
forward to the video, man. You have a good one.
All right. So, Blas Hernandez, I said hello.
Overall, I give the auditor a big thumbs up for how he handled this situation. He not only knew the laws in the state of Texas, but he also had the statutes printed out on cards so he could hand them to the officers. On the other hand, I give a big thumbs down to the first officer this auditor encountered because he not only did not know the correct laws that pertain to this interaction, but at one point he threatened to put the auditor in handcuffs even though the auditor had not committed a crime. The second officer did a good job, and I give him a thumbs up for this encounter. Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video, and please remember to go over and check out GTAG YouTube channel and show him some love by subscribing to his channel. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video to knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.